Follow our guide to sparkling windows. Make window cleaning fun and simple. Let's see what we need. Chances are, it's all right in your kitchen. Meet white vinegar, your window's new best friend. And some water. Yes, plain old H2O. A little dish soap is fantastic for cutting through grease. And for a fresh scent, a squeeze of lemon juice or a splash of the bottled kind. Mix equal parts tap water and vinegar in a bowl. This duo makes an excellent cleaning base. Now, add just a drop of dish soap. It enhances your cleaning power. Finish the solution with a squeeze of lemon juice, fresh or bottled. It adds a fresh scent and boosts cleaning. Pour the solution into a spray bottle. This makes it easy to apply to the windows. Give your bottle a good shake to mix everything together. Your homemade window cleaner is ready. Let's start cleaning. Spray the window with your homemade cleaner, covering the glass evenly. Wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. And just like that, clean and streak-free windows. If you found our guide helpful, please like this video, comment with your thoughts about window cleaning, and share it with friends who might find it useful too. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical home care tips and tricks. See you next time!